Have you ever heard people asking you questions like, is soy safe for me to consume? Can men consume soy protein? Soy may adversely affect thyroid functions, or soy-based products should not be consumed by women at higher risk of breast cancer? Well, before drawing a conclusion, let's know the facts. Soy is a high-quality, complete source of protein with a Pedicus value 1, and it is safe for consumption by both men and women. While your total protein requirement may vary across age, however, in case of an adult, it is 1 gram per kg body weight. As soy contains all the essential amino acids necessary for human nutrition, soy can be considered as a complete and sole source of dietary protein. Coming to the next question, the effect of soy in regulating male hormones. A meta-analysis of research published to date found no evidence that soy foods affect total testosterone level or circulating estrogen levels. Claims that soy food or isoflavone consumption can have adverse effect on male reproductive functions, including feminization, are primarily based on animal studies and case reports. The results from animal studies are not applicable to men, not only due to the difference in isoflavone metabolism in human and rodents, but also because it has been observed that excessive amount of isoflavones were exposed to the animals in these studies. In addition to this, numerous studies and long-term trials have shown no adverse effect of isoflavone exposure on thyroid functions, thyroid hormones, and thyroid antibodies. Finally, while talking about the misconceptions or myths about soy, it is important to examine the totality and quality of the research with a greater emphasis on human and long-term population studies. The current research clearly demonstrates that soy is not only safe, but also is a great way to incorporate high-quality plant-based protein in your daily diet. Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix is a great tasting meal replacement with the goodness of protein from soy. Consume once or twice daily, replacing your meal.